This is what's really exciting about these projects, this adaptation to a new era, a new age, as it were. The building functioned as a flax mill, but all the trappings of that era have been stripped away as it was converted to a maltings. And now here we are, 225 years on, transforming it again for hopefully another 100-year life of being a mixed use with public and commercial benefits. We joined forces with Historic England, the client, Shropshire Council, and the Friends of the Flaxmill Maltings, a local community group that wanted to be involved in the project, both sharing the heritage and also the opportunities that this project brings to regeneration. It's a big project, multifaceted project, mixed use project, all about sustainability, all about regeneration, and all about heritage. We call them great bricks. They're 4 inches high, 4 inches wide, and a good sort of 8 inches long, so they're monstrously huge bricks. Not easy to replicate, certainly not easy to swap in with a modern, smaller brick. So we brought in Northcot to have a look and to see whether they could actually hand throw the bricks that we needed in these larger sizes. We were also able to make special bricks for these window reveals here, the squints used for these window reveals. That helps us avoid cutting bricks on site, it avoids waste, and produces things of real beauty and real quality to match the original. So we were looking for a brick with character, a brick that was handmade, and a brick that was a special module that will fit in with the project we were trying to conceive. Managed to reuse all the bricks that we were able to recycle from the historic fabric. They were all laid in lime mortar, a particular thing we're passionate about. Enables you to take the lime mortar, just knock it off the brick and reuse it again. A brick should have a design life of 300, 500 years. We're really passionate that the bricks that we lay in these buildings can be recycled and used time and time again. This building is 5 stories, 100 metres long, 12 metres wide. There's a lot of brickwork. So this really did test our contractors and our suppliers with the bricks to produce, a brick that could be relied upon for a lifespan of 500 years plus. So we thought very carefully about the brick. If you've got 90,000 bricks on a project that is supposed to look 225 years old, it's really important that that brick is the right brick, and that everybody involved in the process of specifying those bricks, laying those bricks, understands that the reputation of the project will really be formed on that choice and those craftsmen's skills in laying those bricks. Part of it is following in the footsteps of the thousands of people that have worked here over the 225 years, and just playing your part in that long continuum make you feel like you're pushing in the right direction.